It's only been 48 hours since this bad boy landed in my doorstep. In my usage so far, I've been having some mixed views. Yes, just like any smartphones these days, they have both positive and negatives. So let's talk about it. Let's start it off with positives. First impressions matter, and the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 certainly knows how to make a lasting one. The moment you hold this device, you can feel the premium craftsmanship that has gone into its construction. The blend of glass and metal exudes a sense of luxury, making it evident no shortcuts were taken in this creation. Especially the carbon fiber back is my favorite. It just feels so nice. The hinges, the heart of any foldable device. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3's hinge is a nice piece of engineering. It's built to last with improved durability compared to its predecessors. Xiaomi has clearly learned from its earlier iteration, and this hinge feels solid enough to stand up to daily use. It's also got the golden color line going across the hinge, which gives it a nice bit of character. It's got a very slim body measuring about 10.9 millimeters when folded and 5.3 millimeters unfolded, which makes it really slim. One of the standout features which I am liking is the quad camera setup with a 5x optical zoom. Also, it does not stick out from the body too much, which is really nice. Like me, if you're blown away by the design of the phone, or if you have already purchased this one, leave a comment below about what features you like the most. Talking about the display, Xiaomi has done an excellent job in the displays, both outer screen and inner screen. The display is absolutely stunning to look at. It's got an LTPO OLED Plus display with an 8 inches of inner screen and a 6.5 inches of outer screen. It's got a decent 1300 nits of peak brightness, so viewing it outside under direct sunlight will not be any issues at all. When you open the phone, you are greeted with an 8 inches of inner screen, which is an absolute treat to use. Since it's not thick and having a very slimmer profile, holding it in one hand does not give you any hand fatigue. Also, the crease is not deep, which is definitely a welcome addition compared to what you have seen in either the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 or the Pixel Fold, which have a very deep crease. One of the features which is absolutely unique only for the folding phones are the flex mode. Flex mode is supported in this phone as well, as that makes it easier when you are actually watching your movies or your social media content or even YouTube for that instance. Flex mode makes a huge difference and you can use it without any issues. Many apps are optimized to take advantage of the screen's real estate, unlike what you see in the Pixel Fold, where most of the apps were not optimized to actually use the real estate, which is actually a shame. And also, this phone holds at any given angle, so the phone opens flat to 180 degrees, which is definitely different from what you had in the previous iteration of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, where it was either closed or shut. So this one is a welcome addition. This phone boasts the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which makes the phone work really fast. In my usage past 48 hours, I haven't noticed any lags or any kind of heating issues, and all apps work absolutely fast, smooth, without any lags or anything, which is really nice. Battery life past 2 days of using it has been solid without any issues and has been consistent. Easily would last more than a day on a single charge, that's for sure. Now talking about the camera, it's got a quad camera setup. So on paper, it looks really good. And I'm a person who personally loves the 5x periscope zoom on any given phone. And I'm yet to test it thoroughly, but in my initial testing, I've taken some samples. So here are some of them. About the things which I'm not too impressed. Just like any Chinese ROM phones, this too is filled with Chinese apps, which obviously you can remove, but it's painstaking to clear each and every one of them. And still, you will still see the UI having Chinese wordings apps, which you just can't get rid of them unless you have a global ROM. One saving grace when compared to some of the Chinese foldable phones like Huawei Mate X3 or the Honor V2, this supports Google apps. But again, you need to install the Google Play Store separately. All apps work without any issues, including the banking apps and the Google Pay. I have personally tested them and they all work absolutely fine. As far as connecting with my smartphone, this is where my biggest gripe came in. I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. It was an absolute nightmare in connecting. It just wouldn't connect. I've tried so many methods but unsuccessful, which is really frustrating. My friend has the same phone and he used his Google Pixel Watch to connect. It wouldn't connect. It would connect, but it keeps disconnecting. So overall, for both of us, it was an unsuccessful attempt. And the next one, which is quite the main issue for all Chinese ROM phones using in the Western market, is the notification issues. Yes, it's still here, but this phone is weird as sometimes you get timely notifications and sometimes you don't. And when you unlock the phone, you get like boom, you get all the notification. It all comes up all together. Sometimes the screen switches on for notification and sometimes you just get a ping noise after the notification, but the screen does not turn on. As far as I'm using the phone, and if I get a notification, it comes up straight away. I have manually gone to the settings to change the battery optimization and gone to individual apps to disable the battery optimization for each and every app. But still, this phone has got this temperamental notification issue, which is driving me nuts sometimes. If someone or any YouTuber says to you that all notification works fine without any tweaks or without any issues, don't trust them. They are lying to you. However, these are early days in my usage and I need to test it more to see if any issues which I have faced have been sorted, or is it due to being a new phone and it could be addressed on a software update. Time will tell. Like me, if you have experienced similar issues, feel free to comment below. If you have stayed on till now, I really appreciate it and thank you very much for your viewing. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. Until next time, stay curious and embrace innovations. Thank you.